Hi, I'm Sanjay Gandhi, owner of Moss Properties in Doncaster. I've attended James Nicholson's digital masterclass, marketing masterclass over the last 3 days. One of the best courses I've been on in the last sort of 2 years, 3 years. What I've liked and enjoyed about the course is the clarity of social media. There's so many buzzwords out there, not really understanding Facebook advertising and all the strategies that everybody talks about but not really clarifies. His clarity and the information and strategies that he's taken me through in the last 3 days has been fantastic. I would recommend that for next year or whenever you have got time, get on this course, because the best thing you are going to do is change. It's a game changer. That's what this course does for you. So once again, James, thanks very much, and I'll keep in touch.